Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by turning on Bluetooth on both devices now. On your iPhone, open Settings and enable Bluetooth. Keep the screen active so pairing prompts appear. On the PC, go to Settings, Bluetooth and Devices, and switch Bluetooth on. Choose Add Device when ready. This step is crucial because modern pairing requires both devices to advertise themselves. Once both radios are live, you can continue to discover and accept the pairing request. Do that next so the devices see each other. Now you actively discover the iPhone from the PC. Click Add Device, pick Bluetooth, and watch the available devices list. Select your iPhone when it appears. On the iPhone, accept the PC's connection request and compare the PIN or code. Make sure both displays match, then confirm on each device. You do this because matching codes prevent man-in-the-middle connections. Once confirmed, accept any permission prompts on the iPhone. These let the PC use specific services like file transfer. Finish by verifying the paired status on both devices and testing a function. Send a small file or stream audio to ensure service profiles work. If it fails, first toggle Bluetooth off and on, then restart both devices. If that still fails, use Forget on the iPhone and remove the device on the PC, then repair. Make sure PC Bluetooth drivers are up to date in Device Manager because outdated drivers often block profiles. If problems persist, test with another phone to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.